Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Today we're reviewing a travel essential that promises to keep your toiletries, makeup, and accessories organized and accessible, the OlarHike Toiletry Bag. Let's dive into the details to see if it really lives up to the hype. The OlarHike Toiletry Bag is designed with both convenience and practicality in mind, with dimensions of 12.6 by 9.06 by 4.72 inches when rolled, and an impressive 12.6 by 35.04 inches when fully open. This bag is built for those who need a lot of space without compromising on organization. It's touted as ideal for both personal and family travel, with enough room to fit toiletries, makeup, jewelry, and other accessories all in one compact unit. It's equipped with a dedicated jewelry section, a front pocket for accessories, and 4 separate compartments to keep your toiletries neatly stored. Now, let's see how it performs. When it comes to real-world usage, the OlarHike Toiletry Bag really shines in terms of its layout and design. The large capacity is definitely a highlight. It gives you ample space to pack everything you need for a trip, from shampoo and conditioner to your makeup brushes and hair products. The individual compartments make it easy to stay organized, so you're not digging around looking for your toothbrush or mascara. The jewelry section is a thoughtful addition, especially for those who want to keep their accessories separate and safe from other items. The waterproof material is another standout feature. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly embossed fiber, it feels durable and soft to the touch. It's also anti-static, which helps keep dust at bay, and it's more resistant to wear and tear than other similar products on the market. However, while the waterproof claim is definitely true, keep in mind that it's more about protection from splashes or light moisture rather than submerging the bag in water. Now let's talk about a few potential downsides. While the bag is large and spacious, it could be too bulky for those looking for something more compact or minimalist. Additionally, the zipper, while generally durable, does feel a bit stiff when opening the bag fully. If you're in a rush to grab something, it might take a little more effort than expected. But overall, these minor drawbacks don't take away from the bag's practicality. When assessing value for money, the OlarHike Toiletry Bag is certainly on the higher end, but it offers excellent storage capacity and durability that justify its price. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who needs to organize multiple items for a family trip, this bag could be well worth the investment. It's designed to last, and the added features, like the adjustable elastic bands and reinforced stitching, make it a sturdy option compared to other travel organizers. In comparison to other similar products, such as the popular travel toiletry bags from brands like Amazon Basics or Bag Smart, the OlarHike bag offers better organization with its distinct jewelry section and the spacious internal layout. While those alternatives may be slightly cheaper, they often don't come with as many compartments or the same level of durability. So if you're looking for a product that offers more than just a place to store toiletries, this could be the bag for you. The build quality here is strong. The bag is made from reinforced fiber, which feels robust and resistant to wear. After using it for a few trips, it has held up well without showing signs of damage or significant wear. As for longevity, while we haven't tested it over a long period yet, it's safe to say that with proper care, it should stand the test of time. Customer service from OlarHike seems to be solid, based on general feedback, though I didn't have direct interaction with them. That said, the brand has a reputation for providing responsive and helpful support, which is always a plus when purchasing travel accessories. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few cheaper options that might offer similar value in terms of storage and waterproof features, such as the Bag Smart Hanging Toiletry Bag or the eBags Packet Flat Toiletry Kit. However, they may not offer the same level of compartmentalization or the specialized jewelry section that the OlarHike bag provides. To wrap it up, the OlarHike Toiletry Bag is a solid choice for those who need a spacious, durable, and well-organized bag for their travels. It excels in keeping everything neat and easy to access, but its size and slight stiffness in the zipper might be drawbacks for some. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who values organization and durability, this bag is worth considering. Before you go, Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found the review helpful. Subscribe to Beautyistic for more in-depth reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or experiences with the OlarHike Toiletry Bag, feel free to leave a comment down below. You can also find the link to grab yours in the comments box. Until next time, keep it organized and travel smart. Beautyistic style.